Okay, now I'm starting the class. So next is Saket Kumar Mishra.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Saket.
Good evening, ma'am. I am Saket Kumar Mishra, living in Jamshedpur. I
Okay.
have completed diploma in electrical
Which
engineering.
one? Which one? Your introduction, what you are saying, please say me.
I am saying my introduction.
Okay.
In the year 2019, I have completed my diploma in electrical engineering
Start
from
from
Alkavit.
name. Arey Baba, name se start karo, where you live and all those things.
बोले तो अच्छा ठीक फिर से शुरू कर.
हाँ,
Good
बोलिए.
evening. I am Saket Kumar Mishra, currently living in Jamshedpur.
Yeah.
I have completed diploma in electrical engineering from Alkavit Polytechnic.
Okay.
I am currently pursuing BTech in electrical engineering from Chaivasa Engineering College.
Okay.
I have more than 1 years of experience in electrical maintenance, and my hobby is singing and reading newspaper.
Okay. Next one.
And next one is college and department.
Okay.
I study in Chaivasa Engineering College. It is situated in Chaivasa, Jharkhand. It has 6 undergraduate courses, which is civil engineering, electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, electronics and communication engineering, and computer science engineering. I enrolled in electrical engineering department, and my departmental HOD is Subhadeep Pan sir.
Okay.
And our college principal name is
The
Dr.
name.
The name of our college principal is Dr. Ranjit Roy sir, and our vice principal is Mr. Devrata Raha sir. And our college has lots of placement and extracurricular activities. And
Hey, who is the group admin of this electrical?
yes, ma'am.
Anyone is of the group admin of the electrical branch of 1923 branch, 1923 batch?
Piyush, ma'am.
Piyush. Message.
Piyush joining.
Piyush, yeah, another message me. Or you message to the electrical branch that to join the class. I don't know what happened.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, go ahead.
And मिस मैम कॉलेज का तो हो गया ना अब.
कॉलेज का हो गया. यो सिटी.
यूनिवर्सिटी I live in Jamshedpur.
Very good.
It is situated in East Simbhum, Jharkhand. It is known as industrial city of India, and it is first planned city of India. Here we have lots of manufacturing sector industries, which are Tata Steel, Tata Motors, and Timken, and etc.
Okay.
We have lots of tourist places. Some are Zoological Park, Jubilee Park, Dalma Hill, Dimna Lake, and many more. We have 2 airports.
Two
One
airports?
is yes, one is no, ma'am. One is Singapore. Sorry, the Sonari Airport, and one is building right now, which is Dalbumgarh Airport, and we have a dedicated bus stand in Mango, which have lots of buses going to connecting our district to Bihar and West Bengal, as well as other cities of Jharkhand. And we have dedicated sport complex known as GRD Sport Complex, which have a international football ground and international cricket ground. And we have education hub, like we have a good
My
engineering
city is
colleges.
also known as an education hub for like this.
We have a national importance colleges like National Institute of Technology Jamshedpur, management oldest management college XLRI, and others colleges, others degree colleges, which is affiliated to Kolhan
There are
University,
various,
Chaivasa.
1 minute, because there are many number of colleges, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So you can say that there are various number of colleges.
Yes, ma'am. There are
one
various
of the best technical colleges that NIT Jamshedpur.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and many more colleges which are providing various types of courses, programs, vocational degrees. Because BA,
Yes.
BCA, all these are vocational courses, no?
Yes, ma'am.
That's right. Because vocational
Okay.
courses अलग होता है और ये ऐसे डिग्री कोर्सेज अलग होते हैं.
ये प्रोफेशनल कोर्स में आता है ना मैम.
हाँ, इसीलिए ये डिग्री होते हैं और वोकेशनल बोला जाता है. दैट BCA, B.Ed, all these things are vocational. Okay.
Okay.
That's right. Okay, go ahead.
मैम एक सिटी का तो हो गया, पेरेंट्स करते हैं.
हाँ, parents.
My parents
The
are
name of my parents are.
The name of my parents are Mr. Bibhash Chand Mishra and Mrs. Muni Devi. They both live in a small village of Bihar, and my father is.
No, not they. My parents live in.
My parents live in a small. Yes, ma'am.
You please don't say they. हाँ, they का मतलब parents के लिए not sense good. You can say.
Okay.
My parents live in Bihar. After that, you can say my mother, father.
Okay.
Okay.
But my parents live in a small village of Bihar, and my father working as a farmer, and my mother is a house taker. And we have a big family in Jamshedpur as well as Bihar.
Wait, we have family में parents कहाँ से आया? We have family both in Bihar and Jamshedpur. How it is coming? कैसे relate?
Parents तो हो गया. अभी पेरेंट्स तो जो मतलब यहाँ पे जिसके साथ रहते हैं उसको अभी तो पेरेंट्स तो है ना.
No, my parents अलग हो जाता है. वो गार्जियन हो जाते हैं. वो पेरेंट्स होते हैं. गार्जियन पेरेंट्स में अंतर है बाबू. There is a difference between a guardian and a parent. Guardian क्या होता है? Guardian name, parents name. There is some different meaning. गार्जियन में आपका क्या हो जाता है, वो एक्ट्स एज अ मतलब प्रोटेक्टर हिसाब से आपका जो काम करता है। आपका इन लॉज जो होते हैं वो आपके गार्जियन होते हैं।
हाँ
सपोज इन चाइवासा एनी गार्जियन यू आर हैविंग,
हाँ,
that
यस
is
मैम,
something, and parents का मतलब something different,
यस
differences।
मैम,
पेरेंशियल प्रॉपर्टीज, गार्जियन प्रॉपर्टी कभी होता है क्या?
नो मैम,
सिंपल चीज है, पेरेंट्स जो है वो जो मतलब आपका ओन चाइल्ड, और गार्जियन होता है समवन अदर चाइल्ड यू आर टेकिंग केयर ऑफ।
यस मैम।
ओके, नेक्स्ट, हाँ, अवस्थमा, हु इज दिस? आस्थवमा और व्हाट?
अश्वत्थामा,
Ashwathama, who is this? From which branch? Ashwathama, unmute yourself. Ashwathama, unmute yourself.
I can't, ma'am.
What? He's having some network issues. What?
I can't unmute myself, ma'am.
I don't know what problem he's having. Satyanarayan Chaudhary.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Satyanarayan, go ahead.
मैम क्या चीज पर बोलना है मैम, जानकारी नहीं है मैम, जस्ट अभी ज्वाइन किया।
Link देखे हो? Introduce yourself, your city, and your parents. These three things.
नो मैम, नहीं हम देख पाए मैम।
QR code attendance show वाला है. Please give your attendance in that QR code I have already shared with you people.
एक बोला कैसे बोला?
I have already shared.
Okay, ma'am.
Ashwathama, from which branch you are? Anyone knows Ashwathama is from which branch?
नो मैम,
Anyone of you knows?
नो मैम।
Ashwathama, can you tell me from which branch you are?
No, ma'am.
I think
मैम
you.
इंट्रोड्यूस देना है मैम,
Huh?
मैम इंट्रोडक्शन देना है मैम अपने बारे में।
Yes.
माई सेल्फ मैम सत्यनारायण चौधरी,
1 minute.
I am
And
from
Satyanarayan, you are from which branch?
सिविल मैम।
Civil. Okay, good. I have removed
Myself.
Ashwathama, blocked him. I don't know what he is, from which branch he is. Okay. Next, Satyanarayan, go ahead.
माई सेल्फ सत्यनारायण चौधरी, I am from Garhwa and my branch is civil engineering.
Hey, my branch is.
No मैम, सॉरी मैम।
पहले अपना कॉलेज के बारे में नहीं बताएंगे। आई एम परसुइंग माय बीटेक, डायरेक्ट सीधा ब्रांच में आ जाओगे।
नो मैम।
हाँ?
मैम
I
मैम
am pursuing my
मैम नहीं
BTech
बोलता।
degree. Like this, we will come now one by one.
Yes मैम।
Yeah.
I pursuing BTech from Chaibasa Engineering College.
Yeah.
And my branch is civil engineering. And I am from Garhwa.
I am from Garhwa, second line में तो बोला, फिर again I am from Garhwa.
अच्छा, ओम।
Okay, stop. Aditya Sweetie.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Aditya Sweetie.
Good morning. Sorry. Good evening
Okay,
to one
good
and all.
morning. You can say good morning. If I and you meet at the first time ना, अगर हम लोग
Yes,
कभी
ma'am.
फर्स्ट टाइम मीट कर रहे हैं सुबह से लेके भी शाम तक, तो
Yes,
in
ma'am.
that sense we can say good morning.
Okay, ma'am.
There is no problem. But अगर हम कभी आपसे मिल चुके हैं मॉर्निंग से लेके शाम तक, then at that time I will use good afternoon, good evening. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
But first time if I and you meeting, you can say me good morning also.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, go ahead.
Good morning to one and all, respected teacher and all my dear friends. Today, I avail this opportunity to express my views on the topic introduce your parents, department and city. First of all, introduce your parents. The name of my parents is Pramod Kumar and Raju Kumari. My
Very
father
good.
is a teacher and my mother is a homemaker,
Hmm.
and they are very loving and care for me always.
Aditya
Introduce
Sweetie,
your
one
department.
thing I will say. First time
Yes,
someone has told me that my mother is a homemaker. Rest all the
yes,
person who have given me in the first session, second session, in which I am getting some disturbance, all are telling housewife, housewife, housewife. First word I have heard, very nice to hear, that she is a homemaker. Very good.
ma'am. Housewife.
Yeah.
It is just we can contribute referring to her as a simple housewife. So she
Yeah,
is doing her
very
job
good.
since so many years constantly without any leave and any appreciation.
Yeah,
So
that's
we
why I
should
told
not
you.
never
Very good.
undermine her.
I am very pleased to hear this word from your side. Very nice. The word you have used is super. Okay, go
Thank you,
ahead.
ma'am. Introduce the department. I am a student at Chabasa Engineering College. Currently, I am fourth semester. The name of my department is ECE, Electronics and Communication Engineering.
Yeah.
Sonakya Bhattacharya sir is the HOD of my department. There are many teachers in my department like Devajyoti sir, Anvesha ma'am, Ranadeep sir, Avijit sir, Vyas ma'am, Vaibhav sir. And introduce to your city.
Yeah.
The name of my city where I live is Jamshedpur. Jamshedpur is the largest and most populous city in the Jharkhand. It was founded by Jamshedji Tata. Jamshedpur was ranked as the cleanest city of India in 2020 by Swachh Sarvekshan in 2020. Jamshedpur has a number of popular tourist destinations including Jubilee Park, Dimna Lake, Tata Steel Geological Park, Marine Drive, Dalma Hills, Ghatsila, JRD Tata Sports Complex. And there are many good schools and colleges also, just like NIT. And on Founders Day of Jamshedpur 3rd March, Jubilee Park is decorated with a brilliant light work. For about a week, the largest industry in Jamshedpur is that of Tata Steel. Thank you.
Okay, you can say about something about TISCO, Tata Main Hospital.
Tata Main Hospital.
Yeah,
Ma'am, it is not. Now it is not working, ma'am, because there are many scams in this. Ma'am, the government is not allowing us to go in Tata Main Hospital because there are many scam in that hospital.
Very much. No one will return alive.
Yes, ma'am. No one.
Okay. Very good, sweetie.
Thank you.
Very nice. Hey, Shubhajit boy, are you sleeping or awake?
Am I awake now?
Oh, you are awake. Okay. Good to hear you that you are awake. Morning you sleep now?
Yes, ma'am. I have a bad habit, ma'am.
Okay, Shubhajit, go ahead.
I am Shivajit Bhoi. I am from Dhanbad and I am pursuing BTech from Chabasa Engineering College. My branch, I am pursuing BTech in Civil Engineering.
Hey, do but
Our HOD is.
Please don't say 2 times pursuing. I am pursuing my BTech degree
in Civil Engineering.
Yeah.
My HOD is Sir Santosh Kumar.
Santosh Kumar sir.
Santosh Kumar sir.
Yeah.
And my college principal is Dr. R.
The
Roy.
The name of my
college principal is Dr. R. Roy. And my name of my vice principal sir is Devabrata Raha sir. And my Chabasa Engineering College is the college which is established by Jharkhand government and is run and maintained by Techno India in private partnership mode.
Okay, that's enough.
It is located in the outskirts of Chabasa city.
You can say it is located 15 kilometers far away from the Chabasa city.
Okay, ma'am.
Don't say 15 kilometers, approximately 15 kilometers. Okay,
approximately 15.
Yeah.
Okay. And my city, I belong to Dhanbad.
Yeah.
It is the coal capital of India.
Very good.
And Dhanbad is famously known for coking coal. That is the best quality of coal that is found. And there are many research institute for coal like CFRI and SIMFER.
Hmm.
And Dhanbad also has good educational institutes like IIT ISM and BIT Sindri. Dhanbad also has good schools and colleges. It also has good medical facilities like Patliputra Medical College, PMCH. And it is the second most populated city of Jharkhand.
You can also say that Dhanbad is also rich in natural resources.
Dhanbad is rich only in coal, ma'am. I'd said that.
Okay,
No other natural resources is found in
only
Dhanbad.
coal, black diamond.
Yeah.
Okay. You can mention one of the best school is there, Dinomoli.
Yes, ma'am. I am the student of that school only.
Oh, you're a student of that school only. Very good. Dinomoli school is very famous.
Yes, ma'am. No, my parents.
Yeah.
My parents' name is Mr. Manoj Kumar Bhoi
The name,
and
the
Mrs.
name.
Bornali. The name of my parents is Mr. Manoj Kumar Bhoi and Ms.
Parents is mummy, papa same.
Our parents are
Yeah.
Mr. Manoj Kumar Bhoi and Mrs. Bornali Bhoi. My father is works in a private company, and my mother is a homemaker,
Very
and
good.
they live in Chhattisgarh in Sarguja district.
Okay.
Okay, that's it, ma'am.
Okay. Next, I will come to Praveen Soren.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Praveen. From which branch you are, Praveen?
Ma'am, I am from mechanical engineering.
Okay, Praveen. Okay, start.
Good evening,
Praveen, I
ma'am,
am
and
1
all
minute.
my colleagues.
1 minute, Praveen. Have you attended the
Okay,
first session?
Yes, ma'am, I have attended the first
You have
session.
attended, na? So
Yes,
I am saying you to introduce. Anyone is from mechanical over here? Any student from mechanical branch?
Yes,
Other
ma'am.
than okay, Nehal.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Praveen, please introduce Nehal. Nehal is a lateral student, means lateral entry student. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So he don't know
Okay,
anything
ma'am.
about Chaivasa Engineering College. Today is his first day. ये चीज ध्यान रखिए एक चीज. Nowadays, case study. You people will get in
Yes, ma'am.
interviews case study. They will give you one situation. Okay. And you have to answer like that. These are called case studies. So now I am giving Praveen you a case study. Nehal is the
Okay, ma'am.
lateral entry student. He has taken admission in mechanical branch. He is from your city only. Okay. You
Yes,
both
ma'am.
are friends from your school life. And he contacted you that he has got a chance. He has taken admission in Chaivasa Engineering College, and it's so happy that he has also chosen the mechanical branch and he has got the seat. So he want to meet with your HOD and he want to know something about the college. So please tell Nehal like that. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
So, good evening, Nehal.
Hey Nehal, this
You
is
have
no, not like this. He is with you. वो आपके साथ खड़ा है. Suppose he is with you in the Chaivasa Engineering College. वो आपके साथ Chaivasa Engineering College में ही है.
ठीक है, मैम.
Okay. Today is his
तो
first.
मतलब कॉलेज को इंट्रोड्यूस करना है मैम उसके सामने ना.
नहीं, कॉलेज को इंट्रोड्यूस नहीं करना. क्वेश्चन समझो, हम फिर से हिंदी में बता रहे हैं. ठीक है. नेहाल का आज पहला दिन है कॉलेज का. ठीक है.
यस मैम.
और आप और नेहाल बचपन के दोस्त थे स्कूल लाइफ से. नेहाल लेटरल एंट्री से आया है इस कॉलेज में और ये कॉलेज का फर्स्ट दिन है. वो जानना चाहते कॉलेज कैसा है, इस कॉलेज में क्या क्या ब्रांचेस है हाँ, वो आपके एचओडी के साथ मीट करना चाहता है, आप उसको एचओडी के साथ मीट करा ले जाओ। तो पहले आपको क्या बोलना है, दिस इज माय कॉलेज, सो एज यू हैव टेकन एडमिशन, later on you will know everything. These are the 5 building blocks.
Yes.
This is this branch, this is this branch. ये 5 बिल्डिंग आपको दिखाना है. This is the admin block. Okay. Now let's come नेहाल.
Okay, ma'am.
वो आप लोग का क्या है वहां पे, आतोनु सर जो लेते हैं लैब में, क्या है?
Works.
Workshop. This is the 3 workshops. So now let's meet with our HOD. Okay, इस तरह से. Go ahead.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, go ahead now.
Nehal, this is our college, Chaibasa Engineering College, where I
उसको
am
पता है,
pursuing.
उसको पता है चाइवासा इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज है वो. ये ऑलरेडी वो चाइवासा इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज है, वो आया है. I am giving you the outline. Any one of you, except Praveen, any one of you can try. कोई try करोगे? Any one of you? No one. Hey, welcome Nehal. Today is your first day in the college. So, this is the first branch. First branch क्या है? जब बाहर उठते हो तो which is the first branch? Electrical civil कौन सा branch है?
Electrical, ma'am.
Yeah, this is the first block. This is the electrical block.
सबसे पहले लाइब्रेरी
अरे लाइब्रेरी नहीं बताना, लाइब्रेरी तो हॉस्टल से आता है, टाइम में ही जल जाएगा. After that, electrical. Hey, this is the first block when we are coming. This is the electrical block. Hey, are you seeing this on the left side? This is the civil. Like that you have to say. Live. Live आपको बोलना है. Praveen, are you getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now go ahead. Live. Normal बातचीत जो करते वो live बोलो. यही एक
Okay. Nehal, it is a happiest moment for me for that you have taken admission in this college. And this college offers the 5 courses. And the name of our department is mechanical engineering, and the head of our department is Dr. Ashish Narayan sir. He is kind and supportive, and the faculty members of our department are also highly qualified and skilled. They always keep us motivated and make us to do our best. Even in this pandemic situation, all the faculty members of our college giving their best to provide better education.
Goodness. He is with you. Pandemic moment कहाँ से आ गए यहाँ पे?
Ma'am, he must know how the situation was taken by the college.
Past का बोलोगे ना? You will use the past tense ना? During the pandemic situations, even our faculty
Okay,
members.
During the pandemic situation, our faculty members of college giving their best to provide better education and learning facilities to us and helping us to improve our performance and enhance our skills. And the whole college is surrounded by the good natural beauty.
No. Nothing else. Enough.
Okay, ma'am.
Now I am saying, okay. Hey Nehal.
Okay, ma'am.
Welcome to our college. I am very happy you have taken admission in this mechanical branch. So let's move to our mechanical department. But at first I will say that our HOD sir name is Dr. Ashish Narayan. He is a very genuine person and highly qualified. There are altogether 5 faculty members and 2 technical assistants in our branch. You know, during this pandemic situation, we have faced various problems, but our faculty members have given their best to make us learn through this online mode. And even though we are facing some kind of problems, the faculty members provided their personal number, and they have also told if any kinds of problems you are facing, you can call or message them. So let's move. You moved. So this is Nehal, my friend. Today is first day. He has taken admission in the mechanical branch and his lateral entry.
Okay,
Right.
ma'am. Then I should also add vision of the department.
Vision
Can I?
mission is already over there in the department, the big charts. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Next, after you'll meet with the HOD. Next, hey Nehal, let's move to the workshops. The workshops are located very far. Would you like to visit? He will say, yeah, of course. Okay, let's move. Oh, let's see the time. Oh, now there is no class. We are having a break. So we can move easily. You move over. These are the 3 workshops where we perform. ये होता है. ये situational
Okay, ma'am.
Live situational मतलब case study कभी भी देगा ना. You always have to say in the present. आपको सोचना है कि वो मेरे साथ वो स्थिति अभी है, मौजूदा मेरे साथ वो स्थिति में I am in that situation. हम लोग मैथमेटिक्स में assume करते हैं ना, x y.
Yes, ma'am.
Assumption. Same thing is this case study. Assumption.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Next, Saurav Kumar Yadav.
Thank you.
Okay, Praveen.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Saurav Kumar Yadav. Saurav,
Yes,
are you
ma'am.
facing? Okay, your voice is clear. Okay, please introduce your city, Saurav. Hello, Saurav. Hello. Hello. I don't know. Saurav is.
Yes,
having
ma'am.
some-
Yes.
Okay.
Hello.
Saurav, how's the weather condition over there? I don't know. Saurav is facing some network issues. Definitely, I think of because Saurav. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Introduce your
ma'am.
city.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
My name is Saurav Kumar Yadav, and
Yeah.
I belongs from Dumka. Dumka is known as the sub-capital of Jharkhand. And
Belongs to Dumka. I belongs to Pakistan.
I am from Dumka, ma'am. So
On Pakistan.
I am from.
I
Very good. I
Dumka.
am from Dumka. I have to say you people not like this only. Then you will. Oh, हाँ, यहाँ मेरा गलती है. Okay. Go ahead.
It is the sub-capital of Jharkhand.
Yeah.
There are many in tourist place. There are many tourist places such as the Kanara Dam, locally known as Masanjor Dam, Purva Pahar, Baski Chowk, and there are many small and tourist places. And in education,
Oi. There are many tourist places. फिर there are many tourist places क्यों होगा? Already you have shown there are many tourist places. Some of the names are as follows. Because you
Yes,
will not be able to name all the some of the names. Okay.
yes,
Yeah. Next.
in educational hub, there are many colleges, and
In
schools.
educational hub क्यों होता है? In educational hub नहीं होगा. Dumka is also known as an education hub because Various kinds of coaching centers like Akash, Fitji are there, where the students are preparing for IIT. इस तरह से बोलना है. There are many
Yes,
educational hubs नहीं. Known as educational hubs. You can say Ranchi is known as educational hub. Kota is known as educational hub. ये बोल सकते हो.
ma'am.
But you can't say Dumka. Thus Dumka is so famous. Super 30 is also known as Super 30 is so famous. These things are different.
Yes,
There are
ma'am.
many coaching institutes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next. Okay. Stop. Now we will come to Om Prakash. Where is Om?
Hello, ma'am. Good evening.
Yeah, Om. My city.
Yes, ma'am. City or intro?
Ah, my city.
Good evening, ma'am. My
Ah.
city name is Bokaro. Bokaro
My
State.
city. My city. Your grandfather has brought for you that city.
No, ma'am.
And you are the Tehsildar of this city.
I am from Bokaro State City.
Yeah.
It is a very beautiful city,
Hmm?
and it is our district. It is 15 kilometers far away from our village.
Where is your
And
village? You lives in Bokaro. Where is your village? I don't know, but you are from 15 kilometers far away. I don't know your
Ma'am,
village. You are from Bokaro. Say
my
where
village.
you live. First to say where you live.
I lived in Chandrapura.
Yeah, Chandrapura. I live in Chandrapura. It is near to Bokaro.
Near to Bokaro. Our city, Bokaro State City, is known as for primary and secondary education because top number of schools are here, like DPS, Chinmaya, GGPS, and etc. Apart from education, city is also known as for steel.
See,
Steel city.
one
Steel
minute.
city.
Om Prakash, I am saying you live in Chandrapura, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
15 kilometer hai, like the distance of Chaivasa and Chikpani. Can you
Yes, ma'am.
say Chaivasa and Chikpani both are same? Can you say Chaivasa Chikpani
No.
same है? नहीं ना?
No, ma'am.
तो आप कैसे बोल सकते हो चंद्रपुर और बोकारो सेम है?
मेन शहर मतलब
मेन शहर, मेन शहर वो है ना. तो आप जब मेन शहर बोलते तो आपका तो वहीं पे है ना. आप अपना अपना ना लिव इन बोकारो. सिंपल बोल रहा है लिव इन बोकारो. आपको जगह मेंशन नहीं करना है ना. आपको बोलना है कि मेरा घर कितना किलोमीटर दूर है. You don't have to say that how far away. Whenever you are writing in your address, you are writing the city address.
Yes,
Bokaro ही लिखते हो. You have completed your schooling from where? Bokaro or from Chandrapura?
Chandrapura.
Chandrapura. Then you say about Chandrapura. Don't say me about Bokaro. What are the things in Chandrapura? Can you tell me
Thermal
in
power
short?
plant.
Thermal
Yes,
power
yeah.
plant. Next.
DBC thermal power plant.
Next.
And there is a Kolwasri.
Yeah. Next.
And
Natural में क्या है? River.
river में Damodar.
Yeah. Damodar river है. Pollution. Pollution level
It is
क्या है?
not pollution level में not so high because it is a village type.
Village. So you can say natural greenery. Natural greenery is there in my village. There is a thermal plant. There is a coal washery. Many people are getting jobs. Local peoples are earning. Many daily wages workers are there who are working. है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
जहाँ आप रहते हो उसके बारे में, बिकॉज